Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Raining Blood on acoustic guitar, full guide. Start by tuning to standard E and confirming intonation. Next, position your right hand for tight palm muting and use a medium pick for clear attack. Practice single-string, chromatic warm-ups for 5 minutes to loosen fingers. Begin slowly with the main riff at half speed and focus on timing and dynamics to capture the aggressive feel. Now we will break down the core riff into manageable phrases and play them slowly with strict timing. Focus on palm muting depth and pick placement so each note rings with aggression yet remains controlled. Count 16th notes aloud while using a metronome to internalize the groove. Once clean at a slow tempo, nudge the speed up by 10% increments until you reach the desired performance pace and confidence. If you're finding this lesson helpful, please subscribe and like the video so I can keep making content you enjoy. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfy even after long practice sessions. I dropped the link and some deals in the description for easy access, so take a look if interested. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we focus on the chord stabs and rapid power chord shifts that punctuate the arrangement. Use the fretting hand to lightly mute adjacent strings and preserve the riff's punch. Isolate the bridge and rehearse its rhythmic accents slowly until transitions are fluid. Emphasize consistent right-hand attack and match dynamics to the riff's intensity so the acoustic version maintains the original's drive without needing heavy amplification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.